that way.
Hello there, you are watching.
That way.
Hello there, you are watching Theo's Trains,
yes,
Wheels, and Alfie's videos. Approaching soon.
Approaching soon as the
We have a very special service.
Yeah, that's it. Yeah.
Oh, there we go.
Look
Look at that. Hi guys, at Llantrisant West, we're crossing a bridge with Theo's Trains, Wheels, and Alfie's videos.
Yep. Hello, everybody. Alfie's video series, Theo's Trains Wales, and Theo gets a shout out
Again.
Yep.
Goodness me, that barrier's bad.
Oi, see.
Do we do the intro, Theo?
So,
leave it there.
the train coming now is the 2 Bravo 65
I'm gonna move my camera.
1323 Transport for Wales service from Cardiff Central to Swansea. Times 1322, 1321 we went down. Trains passing Ponce Clean at 1323.
Where's the Bagland then? That's only just a small platform then, is it?
Bagland's that way, just after Port Talbot.
Yeah, I know Bagland.
Yeah, but no, it's quite a long street. You can see them.
Yes, down the side of the motorway. Yeah, they got that long.
So you got a fairly. You can see them.
Which is, tell you what, I know down that way. If you want to catch, and I'm trying to work out, I've got to ask one of the blokes because you could walk. The bottom end of the steelworks is Margam Freight Yard, which is it's part of the steelworks, but there's a proper walkway through it because, like, to go through the main entrance, you wouldn't get in.
No.
But I think you can go to Avon Beach on a walkway through there, and you actually walk through. It's a proper walkway, so they can't stop you from coming through. Like, a lot of people cross down to the beach through there because I come through and there's people there with towels coming down. Like, I think, what are you doing in here? Like?
Yeah,
but that would be good down there. But I'll have to work out the route down there.
because that's we've got some long streets down there.
Because I'm not sure if you've got to come through North Kennelly,
That's
through the train, and I think you pick up the walkway through there and you cross through. Here it comes. What's this one come in?
150.
150.
It's 5278. Swansea or Abertawe.
Abbey what?
Abertawe. That's Swansea, Welsh.
I thought it was Abertawe.
Abertawe.
Alright. Like, what's the...
At the announcement.
Yeah,
When I'm at Cardiff Central, I hear the Welsh announcements, and
from
I'm
you
saying
know what I'm saying.
Swansea in Welsh, it's Abertawe.
I know that, yeah.
So, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.